What is up, guys? So today we will be unboxing this studio microphone, which is a BM800 set that I purchased from Lazada. So I bought this for around roughly 1,000 pesos, and it does include a phantom power. So at this point, I'm just making sure that the package is clean, just to avoid any contamination or any infection. As we all know, we're currently in a pandemic right now. So opening up the package, we got some basic manuals. So this is, by the way, a cardioid microphone. Let's just set this the manuals aside, and we have the pop filter. So pop filter looks nice. And then next up we have the sound card. This is a USB 2.0 standard sound card. And then we got the male to female XLR cable. And then next up we got the female XLR cable to 3.5mm jack. Now this is the one you use if you want to plug it directly into a sound card or to your cell phone. Now this is the power adapter for the phantom power. Now that's the reason why I bought this package that includes phantom power, because BM800 mic is a condenser microphone which requires at least 24 to 48 volts of phantom power. And this is the phantom power unit itself. So this is a 48 volt phantom power. It's just pretty basic. I'm going to show you guys later how to install or set up the microphone using this phantom power. Next up we got the shock mount. So this reduces or minimizes any noise just in case you accidentally bumped your microphone, or if you're typing something on a keyboard. That should reduce the vibrations. And then we got the windscreen, just the standard one. And then next, of course, the scissor arm or the boom mic arm. I don't think it's a heavy duty mic arm, but it should do the trick for this BM800 since the mic itself isn't that heavy. So this should be good enough, especially for its price. So I believe I bought this for like 1,100 pesos, including the shipping fee, which is not bad for its price and what's included in the package. Next up we got the holder. I believe, I'm not sure what it's actually called, but it's like a holder for a dynamic mic. Just the standard one made out of plastic. And then next we have the clamp where we need to attach the boom arm or the mic arm onto the side of your table. It's made out of metal, so I think it should do the trick. And then of course we got the mic itself, which is the BM800. So if you look closely, you'll see the diaphragm at the middle of the mesh. It is a very good looking mic for its price. Let me just show you the internals of the microphone. So you just unscrew the cap at the bottom and then just pull out the metal body or the cylinder, and then you should see the PCB itself, where you have all the electrical components. So it's pretty basic. It doesn't have a lot of features, but it should do the trick for podcasting and a beginner mic for anyone who would like to get into streaming. Now these are all the included parts or items inside the packaging. So it is pretty straightforward. I've already set up the BM800 microphone on to the boom arm, and I've plugged in the 3-pin XLR cable, the male to female XLR cable. One end goes to the BM800 mic, and then the other end goes or should go to the Phantom power. So this is the power cable or the power adapter for the Phantom power. So let me just plug it in. Now that's already plugged into the power outlet, and this is the Phantom power itself. As you guys can see, I'll just plug in the plug from the power adapter to the port on the AC port on the Phantom power. So now here's the 3-pin female XLR cable already plugged into the mic itself, and then the other end, which is the male 3-pin XLR cable that I've already routed under the table. We'll just need to plug it into the corresponding port on the Phantom power, which is in this case should be the one on the right side of the Phantom power if the ports are facing your way. Now here's the female XLR cable to 3.5mm jack. Now the XLR end should go straight to the only available port on the Phantom power. Should go straight right in, and then the other end, which is the 3.5mm jack, should go directly to the mic port, or the one that's labeled mic port on that USB sound card included on the bundle. Now all you need to do is to plug it in directly to an available USB slot on your computer, and then we should be good to go. Now the only thing left is to turn on that switch. Now we should get a power indicator light lit up on the Phantom power that confirms that it's already supplying voltage on the BM800 mic. So next up is we're going to test the audio of the BM800 microphone with and without the Phantom power. Here we go. So this is the sound of the BM800 without using any external or any standalone 48 volts Phantom power. So the BM800 is plugged in directly to the included USB sound card, and it's plugged in directly to the available slot on my computer. So what does it sounds like? Test mic 1 2 3 4. Is it any better, or is it much less sensitive to any inputs? What do you guys think? Sound check, test mic 1 2 3 4. So this is the out of the box sound of the BM800 plugged in directly to the 48 volts Phantom power. So what does it sounds like? Test mic 1 2 3 4. So there you go, guys. I hope this video helped you in some way if you guys decide to purchase the BM800 microphone in the near future. So the BM800 is a good mic for its price if paired with a Phantom power. So that's gonna be it for now. Thank you guys for watching. Adios.